Section 7.3, question number 8. Use cylindrical shells to find the volume of the solid generated when the region enclosed by the given curves is revolved about the y-axis. Y equals cosine x squared, x equals 0, x equals 1/2 square root of pi, and y equals 0. If you graph the four functions that are given in the problem, you get a graph like the one shown on the left. In order to find the volume of the solid formed by revolving the graph about the y-axis, you first have to find the left bound and the right bound. As the graph shows, the left bound is 0, and the right bound is square root of pi over 2. Then, you have to set up the equation. You have to use the equation volume equals integral from a to b of 2 pi x times f of x in respect of x. So you have to replace a and b with the left bound and the right bound, and f of x with a function. So you get volume equals integral from 0 to square root of pi over 2 of 2 pi x times cosine x squared in respect of x. Since 2 pi is a constant, you can pull it out through the integral notation. So you get volume equals 2 pi times integral from 0 to square root of pi over 2 of x times cosine x squared in respect of x. Since you're not able to integrate the function right away, you have to use u substitution. So you have to set u equals to x squared. And derivative of u equals 2x dx. But since the equation itself has x times dx, you don't have to solve for dx completely. So you can just leave x with dx. So du over 2 equals x dx. Then, substitute u and du into the equation. Volume equals 2 pi times integral from 0 to square root of pi over 2 times cosine u of cosine u du over 2. Since 1/2 is also a constant, you can pull it out through the integral notation. So you get volume equals pi times integral from 0 to square root of pi over 2 of cosine u du. Then you integrate. So you get volume equals pi times sine u from 0 to square root of pi over 2. And then you have to substitute the real function, which is x squared, into u. So volume equals pi times sine x squared from 0 to square root of pi over 2. So volume equals pi times sine pi over 4 minus sine 0. Sine pi over 4 equals to square root of 2 over 2, and sine 0 equals to 0. So volume equals pi times square root of 2 over 2 minus 0. So the final answer is volume equals pi over square root of 2 units cubed.